Now this thing hasn't been started for 2 months. Haven't really needed it. Got my modified vane radiator in there. My air snorkel tube input. And we need a battery. Windows have been down all that time, airing out the mouse piss smell. We got to do a pre-bee inspection just to be sure it's safe. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! I just can't win. We got bees on top of fucking bees. One apartment on another. Bastards. Now let's try this door. Just starting. Oh well. I wonder how we're going to have to kill these fuckers. Well, haven't tried this stuff yet, but everybody tells me it works beautiful. Beautiful. One more for the road. Well, back to the battery issues. Well, I got 2 not so great batteries in here. My best one died. But being as it's 30 degrees Celsius here and only 11 degrees in Calgary today, on the 3rd of September, maybe we've got a chance. They're back. Well, here goes nothing. Ugh. They don't smell so bad anymore either. Wait to start. Clutch is depressed, half throttle. Go. Oh, sweet! That's the best ever. It has never started that good. Cool. I love my Ford truck now. Not even very smoky. A lot of suction there. Gotta love it. Now in a moment we can go for a drive. Pretty quiet considering it's got no exhaust system and muffler anymore. Let's go for a cruise. Never hurts to have a beer on board in case the need arises. Remember, never abuse your alcohol. Keep it strapped in securely. Whoops, sorry. Piece of shit. How you doing, precious? wonder what that was. It says Pontiac. Looks like it's Fucktiac. Aw, poor olds. Yeah, Wally World's close by. Beautiful day. Cheviac's looking a little beaten. Poor thing. Sorry I gotta drive so slow, but when you're trying to hold a camera in a truck like this, it's so bouncy. And my door is so squeaky. Well, there's my building, and there's Wolf's home. Nice place to relax and have a beer on top of Lookout Point. Oh, that's the life. Good to be Canadian and drive a Ford.